Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we have a blue Yeti microphone to unbox and review. This is very expensive. We just came from Best Buy and picked it up. It was $122 plus tax, so it came out to about like $132, which is a lot of money. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox it right now. Let's move this up. Alright, so here's the product. This is good for voiceovers and other stuff. Here's a lot of information on how to see it. So it has cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo. And it has some information on that as well. In the back, it's a professional USB microphone, and it tells you different specs and all that. So you have gain control, the 4 little modes, a mute button, and the master volume. So let's get into this right now. There we go. And then there's a little pull tab. I do have a separate channel that I'm going to be making. So hold on. As soon as I get this opened. There we go. It's hard to do with the gloves. But anyways, here it is. This is a big box. Alright, let's put this down. Let's just lift this up. I'm not sure if there's things that will fall out. Alright, so this box aside. So we just have to take off this tape from right here. So let's go and do that. Oh. Alright. Perfect. So we have the USB cable. This is like a data transfer cable to USB. It's pretty high quality. A professional USB microphone. Basically a get started guide and some more information that we're not going to need. Here's the microphone itself. I never would think I'd be having this microphone. This microphone is very professional. It's very expensive and very hard to take out. Let's go ahead and lift this up. There we go. So that, here it is. This microphone is very heavy. But that's good, because heavy products are durable and high quality. Nice. This microphone is really nice. Just look at that brushed aluminum. On the bottom you have the charging port as well as the headphones, so you can control the volume and see how good the volume is right off the bat. It's going to be very different when I'm going to be using it, but and then on the bottom you can connect it to a stand. I do have a stand, but it's in the storage right now, and these are different modes. So you have the different modes. I believe this is like, I don't really remember. I don't know them by heart, to be honest. And then the gain control, which I believe is the master volume. And on the back, no, this is the master volume. And then right here is the mute. So this is really cool. And then you could go ahead and adjust the microphone so it's tight right there. Looks very nice. Let's go and tighten this side too. Oh wait, it's this way. So this is a very nice product here. Very beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and test out the microphone right now. I'm gonna do it on my phone, and in order to do that, I would need an adapter, which you can configure on Android. This one is a data transferring or an OTG cable that comes with the Google Pixel 3a. but you can configure it in developer options to make it into just a transmitter, and that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be able to use it on my phone. So basically it's going to be a passageway so I can connect a USB device into my phone, which is very cool. You can use this on mobile phones, desktops, laptops, anything that has a USB port, as long as it's configurable and able to be used on that device. So we're going to go ahead and open this real quick. We're going to go ahead and plug it in, get it all set up, and we're going to test out the volume. Hopefully it sounds really good, because the microphone I'm using right now is starting to wear down, obviously, because I've been using it for about 2 years. This is my very first microphone. It's a lavalier microphone by Pop Voice. It's really good. It served me very well. I would have bought another one, but I do just want an overall great microphone to have. So let's go ahead and plug this in right here. It goes this way. There we go. Whoops. And just tighten these because these aren't tight enough. Yeah, that looks nice though. Alright, let's go ahead and set this up and see how it sounds. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video, we have the Blue Yeti microphone right here. It is active. This is on half volume for the headphones. As you can see, Blue Yeti looks really amazing. On the back, you have the gain control. I'm not sure if I need like half gain, more gain, I don't know. Maybe half gain, maybe all the way gain, I don't know. Half gain, probably around here. Right now it is in the bi-directional setting, so it should be picking up behind as well as in front, not on the sides. We're gonna be trying the first setting. The first setting should be stereo, so it should be left and right. You should be hearing me on your left side of your earbuds and on the right. I don't know if it's going to be working properly or not, but we're going to be seeing that. And then as well, the second setting is just a omnidirectional, so 360 degrees, so you'll be able to hear me all around. So over here, 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 everywhere. And then on the last setting, we have cardioid. So we're going to turn that on. This is probably the main one I'm going to be using. It's perfect for game streaming, Discord, podcasts, and voiceovers. We're going to be seeing if that's good enough for him right now. But I'm going to be having my microphone most likely somewhere around, I don't know, probably right around here. Yeah, probably somewhere around here. This is probably the main spot we're going to be putting it, not sure. We're going to be doing a new desk setup in a few maybe minutes or hours or something. Maybe we might put the microphone somewhere right here. It all just depends. I really don't know where I'm going to put it, but this is the test of the microphone. Without further ado, it should be not picking up anything in the back, only in the front. But this is a very beautiful microphone. I really like it a lot. I just picked it up at Best Buy for $130. Very pricey, very pricey. But anyways, yeah, so you have manuals and other stuff. 130 bucks. We're gonna see if it's worth it. I'm pretty sure it is, but we're just gonna have a look at it, and hopefully it's really good. The original, hold on. The original microphone we used is this one. This small thing compared to this big old microphone. This was lasted a very long time. It's starting to break now. So that's why we're getting this upgrade. Because of that. And it's a pretty big upgrade. So yeah. that's pretty much it. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and of course to subscribe for more videos just like this. Like I said, this video is very, very expensive. If you guys want to see a future video of stuff like this, make sure you like, comment, of course do subscribe for more videos. I feel like this is a pretty good setup. I do have to get a bigger table with a more better equipment. Probably going to be doing that instead of buying the iPhone 12 Pro, because that's just a lot of money, and if I save for that and it's bad or something, then that's gonna be very tough. So yeah, I guess it feels more professional, very, very professional now. We have a lot of lint and dust on our table. But anyways, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.